Mastering both dual harmony in English grammar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series, and today, we're honing in on a word that often makes an appearance in our daily communication, the word both. Yes, today we'll explore how to use both with singular and plural nouns. First things first, what does both mean? The word both is used to refer to two things or people considered and identified together. It's all about duality. Whether we're talking about two persons, two objects, or two ideas, both has got them covered. Now, here's where it can get a little tricky. When we use both with singular nouns, we are usually referring to two instances of the same thing. For example, both the book and the pen are on the table. In this sentence, book and pen are singular nouns, and we're using both to indicate that the two items are on the table. When we're using both with plural nouns, we are referring to two groups or sets of things. Like in the sentence, both teams played well in the match. Here, teams is a plural noun, and we're using both to refer to the two teams that played in the match. One common mistake when using both is using it with a singular verb. Remember, both always takes a plural verb. For example, you would say, both the cat and the dog are playing, and not, both the cat and the dog is playing. So that wraps up our session on how to use both with singular and plural nouns. Remember, both always talks about two things or people together, and it always takes a plural verb. Once you get the hang of it, both is a great tool to add variety to your English sentences. Keep practicing and we're sure you'll master it in no time. See you in our next lesson.